In this video, we will show you how to snip on Windows. To snip on Windows, it's very easy. You can just using Snipping Tool. And we suggest you to using Snipping Tool, the latest version. If you have the old version, you can update the Snipping Tool on the Microsoft Store. Okay, let me show you how powerful this Snipping Tool in the latest versions. For example, we want just snip this page away or this part. Just back to Snipping Tools, and to begin the snipping, just click New, and we can using Snipping Tool like this, drag and drop like this. Okay, after that, usually the Snipping Tool will appear on the below, so you can click them, and you can see the latest version of Snipping Tool can redux the text or using text action. Okay, if you want get the text, you can also doing from image like this. Okay, this is the powerful the Snipping Tool latest version. Or if you just want save this image, just click this to save, and you can select the desktop, for example, and then you can try to open your desktop and find the Snipping Tool here. Okay, this is your results. That's all tutorial how to snip on Windows. Hope this video helpful for you. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.